Welcome to Organization Process Documentation and Integration, OPDI methodology. What is OPDI? Ensuring putting in place a user's perspective management model, that is a non-technical, self-explanatory documentation of processes, procedures, rules and all other references by creating an organization process documentation and integration OPDI in parallel to the generally followed information system implementation roadmap. That is, creating information system architecture, functional requirement specifications, system requirement specifications, and development of enterprise application, etc. The goal is to create a process base for organizations through OPDI. Organization process documentation and integration is the basis for any enterprise applications, without which stepping into solutions is a ladderless approach. Think functionally, transform structurally. Viewing the organization through OPDI. Organization, units, functions, departments, people, citizens, customers, employees, files, registers, records. Under each department, various main sections and sections, process subjects, process actions. Under each section, various employees are distributed attending to process subjects, process actions. Process action, the executing point of every process, triggered by external events, invoking documents, various requirements and possibilities to be addressed. Process action gets executed through various process logic steps, conditioned by business rules, performs the work on files, registers or records. Consequently, the process action triggers other actions which become follow-up actions. Process action ultimately is performed by the process owners and users through various process logic steps based on files, registers and records. The process owners and users are facilitated by information system enablers through the tables, forms and reports executed by various program logic steps. Process owners and users attends the work by various process logic steps. Information system enablers attends their work through program logic steps. The process owners performs the work through files, registers and records. The same files and registers and records transforms into tables, forms and reports for the IS enablers. Finally, the process base is created based on which reengineering analysis is performed so as to improve the processes. Quality auditing is performed in order to deliver quality services or products. System auditing is performed in order to meet various statutory requirements. So the process base is providing that organization database. This is what OPDI delivers. Why OPDI? Look at the present information system model. The strategic and macro study, management conducts it. Functional representatives participate as process owners. Information system managers converts these things into SRS, system requirement specifications, as representatives of technology, by which planning, control, implementation and changes rest in SRS with the information system managers. This is the gap. That gap is fulfilled by OPDI by creating users process structure after conducting business process engineering exercise, TQM analysis, process auditing, so that planning, control, implementation changes in respect of organization's process base rests with the functional executives and managers in parallel to the information system managers. This is the goal and objective of creating OPDI. What is the approach of OPDI? OPD approach is based on the time-tested organization functions and the management functions. Organization functions: manufacturing function, marketing function, finance function, materials function, human resources function, information system function. The management functions are planning function, organizing function, executing function, controlling function, and reviewing function. These are taken over by processes as organization processes carried out by various management processes through various process subjects for each function, executed by various process action for each process subject. That is, for organization function, that is manufacturing function, the planning processes are executed through various process subjects through various process actions. Likewise, organizing process for manufacturing, executing process for manufacturing, control process for manufacturing, review process for manufacturing. Similarly, for marketing function, finance function, materials function, HR function, and information system function, taken over by various processes through various subjects, executed by various process actions. This is how process-based as a prelude for functional and technology knowledge transformation is created.